Hello, hi friends. Welcome to our channel.
Jolly Juniors, yeah.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fan. G for goat. H for hat. I for rice. J for jam. K for key. L for line. M for moon. N for net. O for round. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.